of paint peeling right off that chrome, we're about to fix that. First, gather your supplies. You'll need sandpaper in various grits, starting with a coarse 1/8 grit to really bite into the chrome, then progressing to a medium 3-0 grit. And finally, a fine 400 grit for smoothing. Get yourself a sanding block for even pressure, some masking tape, safety glasses, and a dust mask. Safety first. Always wear safety glasses and a dust mask. Chrome dust isn't something you want in your eyes or lungs now. Thoroughly clean the chrome surface with soap and water to remove any grime or grease. Let it dry completely. Grab your 180 grit sandpaper and wrap it around your sanding block. Apply firm, even pressure, and begin sanding. Use consistent, overlapping strokes. The goal here is to create a rough surface, not to remove all the chrome. Once the chrome is uniformly dulled, move on to the 3-0 grit sandpaper. This will smooth out the deep scratches left by the 1/8 grit paper. Again, use even pressure and overlapping strokes. Finally, use the 400 grit sandpaper to create a smooth, paint-ready surface. This grit will refine the scratches further and give you a nice, even texture. Wipe down the sanded chrome with a tack cloth to remove all sanding dust. Make sure it's completely clean. You can also use a wax and grease remover for a super clean finish. And there you have it. Your chrome is now properly prepped for paint. This textured surface will allow the paint to adhere much better, giving you a durable and professional finish and prevent peeling or chipping. Good luck with your project.